Stood here with a nice cup of tea because there's a load of tractors on their way down here. We're on a Burford Road in Witney because they're doing a tractor run for, it's a young farmers, isn't it? Young farmers charity thing. So yeah, lovely weather. I'm sweating in this jumper actually, but there's only one tractor coming past. Obviously that wasn't it.
No.
You got excited.
I just thought they'd all be coming at the same time in the parade.
Mrs. Neil goes camping as well in her special jeans with her special shoes. Look.
Don't care.
Well, you don't care, do you? Come, Princess, are you excited? Just there, look. They're on their way, the tratters. They come, look. We got some annoying cars in between them, which kind of wrecks it, but let's have a look, see what we got then. Tratter. Got some old ones there by the looks of it. Give them a wave. Some nice old ones. That red one's nice. I don't know anything about tractors, but they do look nice. Now we got the second wave between the annoying cars. Nice orange one. Little Kubota there. Lovely. Lovely car. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Red seems a popular theme. Another wave coming down there. Looks like they're all queuing up down there to let the cars pass, so that's pretty cool of them. What are they called? John Deere's? Don't know. Yeah, John Deere's.
See the Lambo?
That made me jump. I think all the bigger ones are at the back. Because they're faster, aren't they? Oh, they've got the old Union Jacks on them. Nice.